Everyone thinks the best-selling wireless rotary tattoo machine is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Dragonhawk L3. First up, we have the Dragonhawk L3 cordless rotary tattoo machine. With a price tag of $154.74, this machine caught my attention right away because of its powerful McCore motor and smart display. If you want a dependable tattoo machine that blends precision with convenience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The L3 features 7 adjustable stroke lengths ranging from 2.4 to 4.2, giving you the flexibility to switch styles effortlessly. The powerful motor ensures smooth operation, and with a battery life of up to 7 hours, it's perfect for long tattoo sessions. Plus, the cordless design means you won't be tethered to a wall socket, allowing you to move freely while working. Now, some people complained about its weight, stating that at 233 g, it can feel a bit heavy during extended use. Here's the thing though, while it might not be the lightest option, the power and durability it offers make it a solid investment for professional tattoo artists who prioritize performance over slight discomfort. This is perfect for you if you're a professional tattoo artist looking for reliability and performance. Skip this one if you're just starting out and want something lighter and more budget-friendly. For the price, it delivers excellent value for serious tattooing. Now, if the weight of the Dragonhawk L3 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Inkin Wireless Tattoo Machine. Next on the list is the Inkin Wireless Tattoo Machine, priced at just $50.72. This one really caught my eye because it's aimed at beginners but still packs a punch. If you want something budget-friendly yet reliable, this is worth checking out. What's interesting about this machine is its adjustable stroke lengths from tune to form, allowing for precise customization. The 9,500 RPM motor means you'll get a consistent performance, which is crucial when you're still mastering your skills. Plus, it runs on a 1600 mAh battery that lasts about 5-7 hours, so you won't be constantly tethered to a charger during your sessions. However, some users pointed out that it lacks water resistance, which can be a concern in a studio setting. But honestly, if you're careful and maintain it well, this isn't a deal breaker, especially for a starter machine. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to build your tattoo skills without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're a seasoned artist who needs advanced features. For the price, it's an excellent entry point into the world of wireless tattooing. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a balance between price and features. Product number 3, Wormhole Tattoo Gun. Coming in at $63.41, the Wormhole Tattoo Gun offers a nice blend of performance and affordability. This caught my attention because it's made from durable aluminum alloy, making it lightweight and easy to handle. If you want a solid option that won't weigh you down, this one is definitely worth a look. The Wormhole's adjustable stroke length ranges from 2.4 to 4.2, allowing you to tailor your technique. Its powerful motor ensures smooth operation, and the built-in 2300 mAh battery lasts up to 8 hours on a full charge. You really get a lot of power in a portable format here, which is fantastic for long tattooing sessions. That said, some users have mentioned the LED display can be a bit hard to read in bright light. Here's the thing though, if you're tattooing in a controlled environment, this shouldn't be an issue. It's a minor flaw that doesn't overshadow its overall performance. This is perfect for you if you're a traveling artist or looking for a reliable machine that's easy to carry. Skip this one if you need something with fancy features or high-end durability. For the price, it's a great choice for both beginners and pros. Now, if the display issue with the Wormhole bothered you, the next product might just have the clarity you're looking for. Product number 4, Kiss of Dragon Tattoo Machine. Next up is the Kiss of Dragon Wireless Tattoo Gun, priced at $83.70. This one really surprised me with its lightweight design and powerful cordless motor. If you want a machine that's easy to maneuver and offers great performance, this is worth considering. The design is sleek, and it features a segmented body that makes it easy to maintain. The 2400 mAh battery runs for about 6 hours on a full charge, and the adjustable voltage means you can tailor it to your specific needs. This machine helps reduce skin trauma, which is a major plus for both you and your clients. However, some users have reported that the battery can take longer to charge than advertised. While that's a bit frustrating, the long operating time means you can easily get through multiple sessions without needing a recharge. This is perfect for you if you prioritize maneuverability and want a machine that's lightweight and efficient. Skip this one if you're looking for a device with a longer battery life between charges. For its price, it offers solid performance for artists of all levels. Alright, that was a unique pick. But if you're looking for something truly professional, the final product on my list is worth the investment. Product number 5, Ambition Soldier Rotary Pen. Finally, we have the Ambition Soldier Rotary Battery Pen coming in at $172.49. This machine is a standout due to its powerful cordless motor and long battery life. If you're serious about your tattooing craft and want a high-performing machine, this one deserves your attention. With a 2400 mAh battery, this pen can run for up to 10 hours on an 8V output, which is incredible. It's built from durable aluminum alloy and weighs only 210 g, making it comfortable to use for long sessions. The direct drive system ensures high-quality results with minimal skin loss, which is critical when you're working on detailed designs. That said, some might find the price a bit steep compared to other options. This is perfect for you if you're a professional artist looking for a reliable tool that can handle long hours of work. Skip this one if you're still a beginner or on a tight budget. For what you get, it's an investment that pays off in quality. Now, let's wrap everything up and compare these options. To recap, we've looked at the Dragonhawk L3 for its power, the Inkin for affordability, the Wormhole for lightweight portability, the Kiss of Dragon for maneuverability, and finally the Ambition Soldier for professional quality. Each of these machines has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all offer something unique depending on your needs. Whether you're starting out or looking to upgrade, there's something here for everyone.